Hi guys, so let's start this year strong. And I received the package the other day from my friends. So let's take a look at this. What's in there? Let me grab some scissors and let's go to open it up here. Mm, this one is marked up. So let's go and open up here. This is okay. So this looks like a rover from south. We got the new H7 controller here. That's one. We obviously have a pogo clamp and ooh, look at this one, a holder for it. I like this. Look at that. Feels very sturdy. Obviously, we have a charger with the cable. And let's take a look. Like this. Put that back in here. Let's see the charger, whether have the North American one. Okay. It's a USB-C. Oh yeah, it looks like North American. And also, last but not least, in here, we got the antenna for a Zigbee module. I'll put that one in here. And long and behold, we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. And obviously USB to USB-C, USB 3 to USB-C. And this would be, look at that little, I guess, pin for entering the SIM card and some kind of thing. So let's put that one right there. Okay, beautiful. And let's reveal this guy here. Ooh, look at that. That feels very nice. Let's go. We have some stickers with the serial numbers. Keep them in there. But it's very, very nice. Obviously, the Zigbee module is here. You can get two few different modules in there. Camera 8.7. Very, very thin, as you can see, right? I would assume there is a battery. Okay, we got the SIM card, and I believe, yeah, SIM card slot in there. Oh, that's where the little pin gets goes. It has a little notch, so it's should be very easy to pull. Yeah, and you got the dual slot, so one SIM card, one SD card, in case you wanna expand some memory. Very nice. And oh, at the bottom is the USB-C for charging, I would assume. Very light, very light. I'm actually gonna weigh this thing because might become my favorite. So let's see. We got the grams. It's 869 grams against, let's go weigh the tablet, which is 970. So the tablet is even heavier. And against the the H6, which is 540, but for some reason this H7 seems lighter. Maybe just the distribution. This one, it is a little bit heavier. So I'm South did a great job in making this guy big but light. We can look at the screen size. It's almost like 7.5 inch. The whole, it's about 11 inches tall and 7.5 inches wide. So that would be about 30 centimeters up and down and about 19 width. But this is amazing. Like by eye, it's only like about 3 centimeters wide. This thing might become my favorite tool. So let's give it a try and start it up here. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, let's go. So it's now we can measure that 17.5, which would equal to 7 inches wide. Look at that beautiful screen. Look at that. Very, very light, very sturdy with a strap in the back, obviously. Yeah. Now it runs the Android system. Let's go look at so H7 and Android version 12, so which would be compatible with most of the other softwares, right? And we should have pre-installed our Surfstar 2025 with all the new features we had. Beautiful. I love it. Very, very nice. Like, let's just jump into like quick CAD, which is becoming very my favorite. Yeah. We have here, obviously they did some testing, 0.1, 0.2. Very nice screen, very, very reflective. Yeah, default project. Well, here it is, new H7. I just can't get over it how thin this thing is. Look how thin this thing is. It's beautiful. Like the screen is pretty much as wide as my iPhone if you look at that. So yeah, stay tuned for more reviews. I'm gonna take it for a spin here within next few days and I'll get back to you. So this is the new H7 controller from South with the Zigbee module.